Hey everyone! In today's video, we're diving into a game-changing topic for manufacturers: upgrading from legacy systems to smart technologies. If your business is still relying on outdated systems, this video is for you. We'll explore how making this shift can boost your efficiency, safety, and bottom line. Stick around as we break down the steps and technologies that can help modernize your operations. Let's start by understanding what legacy systems are. In the manufacturing world, these are outdated software and hardware systems that, while still functional, are holding you back. Whether it's manual data entry, disconnected equipment, or outdated ERP systems, legacy systems can create bottlenecks and limit your real-time decision-making capabilities. It's like trying to run a marathon with old shoes. It might get you to the finish line, but not as efficiently as modern tech would. Now, why should you even bother upgrading? Well, smart technologies are revolutionizing the way manufacturers operate. Think automation, real-time data collection, and smart machinery. These technologies not only boost productivity, but also create a safer, more sustainable environment for workers. And here's the kicker: companies that have adopted these smart systems have seen, on average, a 10% increase in output, capacity, and labor productivity within just 3 years. Of course, holding on to legacy systems comes with its risks. Compatibility issues with newer tech, higher maintenance costs, and security vulnerabilities are just a few of the roadblocks you might face. And don't forget, outdated equipment can compromise the safety of your workforce, an issue no one wants to deal with. So, is it worth staying stuck in the past? Probably not. So, how do you make the leap from legacy systems to smart technologies? First, assess your current setup. Identify areas where improvements are needed. Define clear objectives, like reducing downtime or increasing output. Then, choose scalable technologies that align with those goals. Start small, with pilot projects, and make sure to train your team on the new tools before full implementation. Let's take a closer look at some essential technologies to consider during your transition. Industrial Internet of Things, or IIoT, can enable real-time machine tracking for proactive maintenance. Cloud solutions can centralize your data, fostering better collaboration across teams. AI and machine learning improve quality checks and help with production data analysis. Finally, modern ERP and MES systems streamline workflows and improve data handling. These technologies are your ticket to better efficiency. Upgrading isn't always easy. There are challenges to face, like funding and employee concerns. But remember, smaller, high-impact changes can ease the transition. Also, having a solid data migration plan is crucial. You don't want to lose any important data during the switch. Let's take a look at some success stories. One manufacturer reduced downtime by 30% and boosted output by 20% simply by upgrading their ERP system and implementing IIoT. These kinds of results show that the effort to modernize is well worth it. To sum it up, upgrading your manufacturing systems is about staying competitive, improving safety, and enhancing overall productivity. The future of manufacturing is smart, and the sooner you make the transition, the better. And, as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on how to level up your business operations.